Hello friends, how are you? I hope all are very fine. Today I will be teach you how to buy any product from United States Amazon. It means today will be very interested video and if you have to any country in living but you have to want to buy United States product and how to will be order and from Amazon. Amazon is worldwide a commercial website. Any type of product selling mobile phones, laptops, many type of gadget, unique gadgets, home appliance, regular usage, many type of you can buy very simply. Then you can go to amazon.com. First of all you have to open amazon.com and where to buy and where to deliver. Here is deliver to options, and when you place here then many type of countries is here to open: Mexico, Japan, China, and many type of countries. Okay, simply you can select it and you can buy easily. Okay, and then you search like this: I want to buy a mobile, mobile, mobile. Okay, then simply search and many type of options is here to opens, and price is 14499 $79, $29, $23, $129, and many type of options in with here. Suppose that you have to want and this this is, then simply click here and you want to buy in here. Okay, okay, and simply you have first of all choose and mozzarella. First of all you have to read some things, something description and details, how to mobiles, rams, gbs, screen, like this all will be things and in details in this product. After that, suppose you have searching to many type of product, and then you have to create a new account. Then after that you have to create a new account, then click on buy buttons. After that you clicking buy button, then simply fulfill COD options. Also you can net you have to pay net banking, credit card, debit cards, many type of options in for the payments. Okay, and you have to not interested in this product, again we have to search a phone, a a TV. Okay, a TV, I am searching to a TV like this. Then here too many type of options: Amazon embedded TVs, Samsung TVs, Rookie TVs, many type of options in here. If you have to like this TV, then this is price 199 USD. Yeah, it means dollar. Okay, simply click on buy buttons and simply you have to clicking, and like this before buying you have to read description like this, how to review in this TV, how many peoples buy, it is 5 star, 4 star, like this many type of details. Okay, I hope you have to learn in this video how to buy a TV, mobile phones. uh, I will be meet you next video. Thanks for watching.